Hello from Okoboji. I'm Kirk Stoss with Stoss Realty. Oh, look what's behind me. Today they're pulling the Queen out to do a little welding and repair work. I've got a little video here, but look at this. It's almost all the way out. It's been really a team effort, and I'll tell you, super kudos to Graves Construction, Dan Graves, and Chad Clary with Clary Lake Service. These guys have been here all day with their crew. It could not have been done with all of them and all the other help and support. It's really a team effort. Take a look watch this video of them pulling it out. It's kind of fun. So here's what happens when the Queen needs a repair and you get all the great help from all the people around the area. Look at the barges, look at all the work. I mean, this is just a major deal. The Queen will ride again. Isn't this cool?